Okay, hello everyone. I would like to do a tutorial today on the famous Jaaxy keyword research tool. I use this every day to optimize my keywords for every post that I write. It's really great and I want to teach you how to use it. Okay, so I'm in my Jaaxy dashboard. I'm under keywords up here. You'll see alphabet soup, save lists, version of Jaaxy free when you join Wealthy Affiliate. Okay, so I am going to write a blog post this week on Instagram apps. Now, I know that's way too broad of a blog title, so I want to narrow it down and find just the right keyword. So I'm going to, let's see, just for the fun of it, I'll see what comes up with Instagram apps. I just typed that in. You can type in a phrase or a URL. I always just use a phrase. I don't really know why you would do a URL. Well, I guess to get keywords, but I've never done that. Okay, so Instagram apps. Obviously, I can just tell by looking at it that's not going to be a good keyword. We are looking for the average number of searches that the keyword receives per month, and you want this number right here to be around 50, to be at least 50, because you want enough people searching for your keyword. I don't worry about this traffic number. It's visits to your website if you achieve first page rankings in the search engines. So I worry about 50. I want it, or the average number of searches, I want that to be 50 or above. And the QSR, which stands for quoted search results, the number of competing websites ranked in Google for this exact keyword. You want that under 50. So remember, over 50, under 50. And then I will press QSR to get that. So let's see what the keyword quality indicator, you want it to be green, obviously. Okay, you don't want it to be yellow, that's just okay, and red is poor. And why choose an okay keyword when you can get a great one? So let's see, let me keep looking here. I'm going to, oh, look at this one, best Instagram apps. So let's see what the numbers are for that. Okay, 86 and 160. That's pretty good. I'm going to save that best Instagram apps, but that's kind of boring. So I'm going to type in, let's see, actually, you don't want one that doesn't make sense. Free Instagram app, you would want it to say free Instagram apps, obviously. Instagram applications, that looks like it would be good, but that doesn't really make sense. Let's see what that says. Normal, okay. So I'm going to type in the best Instagram apps and see what comes up there. This just takes a little time. You have to be patient. The best Instagram apps. Okay, that's actually going to be a good keyword. Oh, bingo. This is over 50. This is under 50. Okay, this is great. I am going to definitely save that. The best Instagram apps. The best Instagram photo editing apps. Okay, see, here are my headline titles right here. Free Instagram apps. Okay, best Instagram apps. I'm using the best Instagram apps. Best Instagram apps. And that doesn't make sense. Top Instagram apps. Ooh, look, that's a good keyword right there. Why do we want keywords? Because the search engines rank posts that have good keywords. So you really want to take the time to do this. Instagram applications, free Instagram apps. Okay, so I'm going to save these 4 keyword phrases to a list. So all you have to do, well, I want to see what this QSR is. I can tell it's going to be good. Top Instagram apps. The best Instagram apps. I'm actually going to refine this, or retry. That's weird. I don't know why that didn't work. Great. Okay. So see, that's good. I'm going to press Save to List, and I'm going to just name this Instagram. And then I can find these later. You can also save it to an existing list. Okay, awesome. So there's really my keyword, the best Instagram apps, but I'm going to refine it more, and I'm going to put the 10 best Instagram apps. Let's see what comes up for that. Remember, I'm going to use these for my titles, so I'm kind of making an outline. The 10 best Instagram apps. Ooh, this would be a good blog post title. 10 best iPhone apps. See, save these for future blog post titles. Top 10 best Android apps. I can tell by looking at it that would be good. Top 10 best free apps. The 10 best iPhone apps. See, I mean, look at all these great keywords. I'm going to save all of these. And I'm going to put top 10. Top 10. Okay, so I have got my keyword, the 10 best Instagram apps. Isn't that cool? Okay, thanks for watching.